private camera conversation method was developed to avoid the possibility that the interviewer will influence the answers. Participants have to enter a private booth and talk to a video camera about a specific topic or product. It's a much more relaxed environment for the participant, and it's an effective way to get people's opinion. Beforehand, you need to prepare some things before you can start recording participants. Firstly, it's important to think about the location. It depends on the topic and target group where you place your Babbel booth. It can be on the street, in a public space, or within a university building. Then you can start building a booth yourself. But it looks maybe much more professional when you just rent a box somewhere. Another solution is to use a small room. You want to record participants, so you need a camera or webcam. Be aware that you need to record for a couple hours. Finally, you want that the participant will be informed about what he has to do. You can do this with text on a poster or in a video which will explain the task or question. The private camera conversation method has several advantages. The participant doesn't get interrupted while he's talking. He doesn't have the pressure of giving socially acceptable answers to an interviewer. The researcher can capture honest responses and impressions from the user through physical and emotional reactions. It is feasible to recruit a lot of participants from large public events. It is possible to let two users inside at the same time, so they can fill each other in. There are also several disadvantages. The user might be nervous in front of the camera. He may lose focus on the actual task and will talk about other things. The user can forget showing the product where he talks about. Having two users may lead to one domineering the other, or reactions are hindered by the other. The researcher can't ask follow-up questions. We've shown you how to work with the private camera conversation method. Now it's your turn.